If you're an art journaler, a mixed media artist, or a card maker, then you will understand how great it is to be able to carve your own rubber stamps. Hello, and welcome to Carving a Simple Rubber Stamp. My name is Suzette. In this course, I will show you how to carve your own rubber stamps, starting with wavy lines and circles. We then move on to other simple designs such as a heart, a tulip, and a bird. When you are finished all your lessons, you will be able to transfer your design to the carving block and carve your stamp using a variety of carving tools. I use primarily Speedball products in this course as they are affordable and great for beginners. Your class project will be to design your own stamp and share a print with the class.